Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Now, before you leave my channel, before you leave this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down low and also hit the notification bell beside it so you never ever miss an upload from me and you're updated on any time I upload a video. So guys, before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, I know it has been a while, but so much has been going on in my crazy life right now. I've been super busy. Work has consumed me fully, and I just could not wait to get back in front of the camera to film a video for you guys. And I have a makeup tutorial here for you, and I'm also going to have some more coming in the coming week. But I'm just super duper excited to be putting on makeup and just filming for you guys again, because it's been long overdue, and I do apologize you guys so much, sincerely from the heart, that it's taken me so long to film. But working two jobs and chasing your dreams at the same time is so freaking hard. For those of you out there that are like me, you working, you grinding, and you also trying to fulfill your dreams at the same time, I commend you. I'm here for you. I understand you. I know exactly what that feels like. But yes, again, work has definitely consumed me. I've been on this weight loss journey, which you guys have seen some videos, seen a video about, and I'm gonna have another video coming out this week because I wasn't able to get one out last week about, well, today's Saturday, so still technically this week. I'm unable to get one this week out, but I have week 2 and 3 combined, just letting you guys know how much weight I've lost so far, what I'm eating, and how I've been trying to get my eating under control, more so focusing on that aspect first, and then really trying to get in the gym consistently. And it has really been working. Everything has just been super helpful, and I'm just so excited about this spring summer transformation. I cannot absolutely wait. But anywho, that's not what you guys are here to see. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look here. This is my kind of gold, soft gold glam with a pop of green and purple lips. I absolutely love purple and green. Purple is my absolute #1 favorite color, and green is my second. So if you did not know that about me, there's a fun fact. My favorite color is purple, and my second favorite color is green, and I absolutely adore the two colors together. So I decided to, do something incorporating my favorite colors, and just something that's like a nice little glam, nothing too much, something that you can wear in the daytime, something that you can wear in the nighttime, and just appropriate in all areas. Alright, so I'm going to stop rambling, and without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch. Alright, love bugs, so first I'm taking the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm using this primer to smooth it all over my face for a flawless base. And then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Whew, that's so long. In the shade 380, and I'll have all the products listed down below in the description box. So if you want to know what products I used, you'll be able to find them down there. Then I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques makeup brush, and I'm going to use that to smooth my foundation out and really just buff it in very well, so that I'll have like a flawless face. Now I know you guys are probably wondering why I'm not using a sponge. I decided to switch it up and just kind of try the brush again. Now, however, it did take me forever to blend this foundation out, but it did get the job done. And of course, I added an additional layer of foundation because I like full coverage. Next, for concealer, and I've been using this concealer quite often. This is the L'Oreal True Match, the super blendable concealer in the shade Warm, light medium W4-5. So it is a warm tone concealer, but the shade is actually light medium. I'm sorry you guys, I got so tongue tied. Now I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge to blend that out, and I sprayed it with a little bit of my Mario Badescu rose spray. I think that's the rose one. Yeah, the facial spray with the rose water, Olay, and herbs. And I'm just blending that out because I do like to use a sponge to really blend out my concealer. And I'm just going back in with my brush to make sure everything is nice and flawless. And of course, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder. And I finally repurchased my banana powder. And I was so excited. I went to Ulta on Friday and I was like, okay, I have to get my powder because I need it. So I went, actually I got it before Friday. Oh, anywho, I repurchased it. But anyway, I'm just taking that to set my concealer. And I'm not gonna bake. I find that when I bake, it really makes me ashy and I get a flashback. So I only bake unless I'm gonna have my makeup on for like hours and hours and hours. So yeah, next I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee. And I'm just kind of just brushing this powder all over my face. And this is just going to set everything, the foundation, and just lock everything in. Next I'm going in with this Ruby Kisses. This is a pressed powder. And this is in the shade Chestnut. And I'm using this to contour today. So this is their mineral powder in Chestnut RMP 14. And I just got that from my local beauty supply store. And yeah. Then I'm also going to use that powder to go in and contour my nose. Next for blush, I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. And this is one of my favorite blushes to use like for just like any look. And I also use this blush like for every day because I love it so much. And then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution highlight in Golden Lights. But first I'm going to spray some of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist spray on my face first. And then I'm going to apply that highlight. I can tell y'all I ain't done a video in a while because I just literally forgot how to talk. It's so crazy. Like, I feel like a babbling idiot right now. But yeah. So now that the highlight is popping, we're going to get into these eyes. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And as you can see, the shadows I'm pointing to, they're Peach Tea and Peach Cobbler. I'm taking a mix of those two shadows and I'm popping those two shadows into my crease, going back and forth using windshield wiper motions. These are going to be my transition colors, and I just mixed them together and applied them in my crease. Next, I'm going in with that brown shade Peach Tart, and I'm using that to apply it in my crease as well, right below the transition colors. Now, I am being very light-handed using this color because I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm starting off little by little, and then I eventually go in and just kind of build it up. I didn't want to dip my brush all the way in it because I didn't want it too dark. I wanted it to be, you know, defined but soft and subtle as well. So I didn't want to go crazy. Next, I'm going in with this Essence Metal Shock Shadow. And this one is in the shade Solar Explosion. It's a pretty gold cream glitter shadow. And I've been loving using these. These are from Essence. As I said, the Metal Shock eyeshadows. I've been loving to use these so much because they really give some bling, pizzazz, and power to the eye. So I'm just taking this and applying it to my lid. Doing kind of a cut crease. Just trying to make sure, you know, everything is, you know, even and crisp and all that. So kind of like doing a cut crease, but I really wanted those lids to stand out, so I'm really taking my time with this and making sure it looks really nice and neat. Alright guys, so now that I'm done, I'm taking Peach Tart on a smaller brush and I'm just going to go in and just kind of clean up the edges just to make sure, like I said, everything is nice and neat. Then next, because I want a pop of color, I wanted to do something, you know, really nice and popping and something that you could wear a lot. I'm taking this NYX Foil Play. This is a cream pigment in the shade Digital Glitch. Now I also use some of that Mario Badescu spray on my brush, and then I applied this foil because it's not really as creamy to me as it claims to be. So I did apply some spray first. Then now I'm just going in with a liquid liner, and I'm using the Revlon Skinny liquid liner, and I'm just creating a nice little winged line. And for mascara today, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Voluminizing Mascara. This is by far one of my favorite mascaras. And for lips, I'm using the Sephora Cream Lip Stain Metal in the shade 105. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I also added some lashes, and I'll link those down below in the description box as to what I use. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!